Well, this is the following day, and Willie and I made it back to our home last night at about 10:30, and that was riding from 3:30 in the morning from France. So there's Roderick. He's been my mascot throughout the whole journey, so he's done really well, and he's not too badly damaged. The bike itself is absolutely minging. So what I'm going to do now is I've had a good night's sleep, shower, shave and all that jazz, and I'll get freshened up. Now the back tyre has squared itself off a bit, and so's the front. So I'll get this all unloaded, get the tent out, get that hung up in the washing line, let that dry off, and treat the bike to a bubble bath. And I'll take off my pannier racks as well, because they're no longer required. And my homemade, well, that's Krieger plates, and my homemade brackets to hold them in. Let me see that side better. Hydraulic pipe clamps, they've done the trick, and none of this has moved at all throughout the 3,045 miles that Willie and I done over the 12 days. So yeah, very happy with that. I've got a little scratch on my top box there, so I can only imagine I've laid it down somewhere, but I'm not worried about that. That's the only mark that I've picked up on the whole trip. Tell you what that was the garage door. That's what that was. That was the garage door last night that's done that. So that's that. I'll get the bike cleaned up, and hopefully the footage that I've managed to cobble together, I didn't film a lot, I must say. Hopefully that'll give you some sort of insight to what we've done. Try to film and ride at the same time, stop starting, it just wasn't happening. Plus it's not easy when there's two of you. So anyway, I'm going to get the bike washed up, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.